Today, fixing with the pro, the door on this 2008 Honda Odyssey. When you go to open it with automatic, it's making a loud pop sound right here in this area. It's a little stuck there when it tries to open. So the problem is the actuator that does the releasing here to unclamp from this hook here, it's not working right. So we got to take this chair out, get the cover off this door, and swap out that actuator. Yeah, there's a little button right here that you pull it. Let's see that. This thing should roll forward. There we go. Remember this thing being tricky, that's for sure. There we go. Okay, let's get this out. So we got this door closed, sort of. We gotta figure out how this door comes off now, or the this cover. Gotta figure out how this cover comes off this door, and get to the actuator. There's a switch right here. We need to cut this off so it turns off the automatic power to this rear door, and that will keep it from flying open on you or closed, depending on where you're at. Now, in here there is a snap ring, so you just want to use a little tool to get in there. Slide that down. Be careful it doesn't go flying everywhere. This is a snap ring. It's definitely supposed to go wherever you can't reach or find it. Gonna be dropping screws here in a second. Okay. Okay, 3 screws are loose. We got, looks like the only thing we got to take loose is this electric connector, and this spring goes right in the top here. You don't want to lose that. Like I did that clip. I don't know, the clip might have already been gone. Apparently, okay. So Honda puts a little tape here at the bottom to hold this wire back. So we got to get rid of that. Got the tools. Yes. No, not really. That is the funny thing about the name of this channel, Fixing Like a Pro. Anything but a pro. There we go. As I burp through this, let's go ahead and slip this on. In case you didn't see, push that down, pull it off, clips back on. Let's see if we can get the spring back in here. Okay, come here, you. Okay, so guys, let's say we mount you up, and supposedly you can't hardly miss with this because there's these little tits in the back of it. Alright, let's back that off of here in case I need to adjust the others. But I'll bet you go right in. Maybe not. Go for the top one. That seems to be on there. Oh yeah, okay. Alrighty. Alright. Strip that head out a little bit. That's the way we gotta do it here. Okay, so that is pretty much how you replace this bad boy, and that should fix the whole popping when this thing's trying to release. This is what does the door latch. So maybe we can see it in action here. Hang on. Now, I do not have the clip on this, so it's not going to lock in. See that? Let's get us a close up here. Or hopefully you can see it. I'm going to open. Oh, the door was locked. That helps to fix that. Okay, let's try to show it closing. Let's show it opening. All right, it pops, works good. And then of course you just want to put it all back together in reverse of what you just did. And should be good to go.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell.